Hey guys, welcome back. Good to see you again. Now, for those who are joining for the first time, don't forget, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. By the way, my name is Kayi Harrison. I have created some playlists to make it easier for persons. So if you want to just watch all my reading or my language arts videos, I've created a playlist with just language arts video. I've created one with just the math videos, and I've created one with just the trivia videos. But I also created one with every single video. So if you want to go and just play all the math, plus they're in order based on how I taught them, or if you want to play all the reading or language arts, then you can go to playlist, click on that, you'll see the 4 playlists, and you select whether it's math, language arts, or the trivia that you want to watch, and then you can see all of them back to back. All right, now today we will be doing multiplication. The last time we met, I told you when we meet again for math, we are going to be multiplying. Now when we multiply, we get the product. The answer you get when you multiply is called the product. And your multiplication sign looks like an X. Now, in order to make multiplying easy, it's best if we know our times tables from 2 to 12. That would be awesome. So boys and girls, practice your times tables so that it makes multiplication automatic. You don't even have to think about it. It comes automatically. However, if you don't know your times tables, there are tricks that you can use to help you figure it out. And we're going to use those tricks today. We use our fingers, we can do tricks in order to help us when we multiply. So the first one says 36 multiplied by 3. Now 36 multiplied by 3, it means that we're going to multiply all the digits at the top by the 1 digit at the bottom. So we have 2 digits at the top. So we're going to go 3 times 6, and then we're going to go 3 times 3. Now, when you multiply 3 times 6, if you get a double digit number, just like when you're adding, you need to write one of the digits down and then carry the other. We're going to look at that. So, let's go. 3 times 6. If we don't know that, we can skip count. So we're skip counting by 3. So 3, first of all, you write the digit down that you're multiplying by, and then you're going to skip count. So 3 plus 3 more, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 3 more, that's 9. 9 plus 3 more, that's 12. 12 plus 3 more, that's 15, and 15 plus 3 more, that's 18. If you can't say it automatic like me, then you need to count them on your finger. So keep adding 3 each time. Now, it's 3 times 6, so it means that you're going to be counting by 3 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're counting by 3 6 times because it's 3 times 6. Now we get 18. 3 times 6 is 18. Remember, when it's a double digit, we don't write the entire 18 down in the ones column. So we're going to write the 8 down, and then we're carrying the 1, and we're adding it over there. So when we get to this part, we have to multiply 3 times 3. When you get your answer, then you add 1. So 3 times 3, we already counted by 3. So we can count 1, 2, 3, because it's 3 times 3. So we're skip counting by 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. But remember, we have 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. This time you can write your 10 down because there's nothing else to multiply. So 36 times 3 is 108. Let's look at number 2. 6 times 8, then 6 times 0, then 6 times 4. Remember, we're multiplying every digit at the top by the one at the bottom. So this time we're multiplying by 6, and it's 6 times 8. It means that we're going to skip count by 6 8 times. So to make it easy, we could do this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know when we get to 8, we stop. So we're starting with 6. So the first step is to write your 6 down. Then you're adding 6 more. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you add 6 more to 12. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And you keep doing that until you get to the 8. So 18 plus 6, that's 24. 24 plus 6, that's 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. And 42 plus 6 is 48. It means that 6 times 8 is 48. Remember, we're writing down the 8 and we're carrying the 4 and we're going to add it up there. But before we add, we need to multiply 6 times 0. So 6 times 0, any number you multiply by 0, it remains 0. No matter how big that number is, when you multiply it by 0, it remains 0, or it becomes 0. So 6 times 0 is 0. And then 0 plus 4 is 4. Then 6 times 4. We already skip counted by 6 over here. We want 6 times 4, so we're stopping at 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. Now we can write 24 down because there's nothing else to multiply. All right. 374 times 9. So we're going to multiply 9 times 4, 9 times 7, and 9 times 3. Now I have a little trick for us to use when we're multiplying by 9. Pay attention, because anytime you get to multiply by 9, this makes it so easy. So we start, we're going to have two columns, one over here and one over here. So over here, I'm starting to count downwards from 9. So 9 backwards, then 8, then 7, 6, help me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we come over here and we start to count from 0, and we're going 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we could go further. So we get to 1 here. So we start at 0 again on this side, because 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 0. So this would be 0, and then we would start over. This would be 9, this would be 8. And then over here, we count 0 down. So we're at 8, this is 9. The only thing with this is 9, and we would repeat the 9 here, and then this is 10. So on this side, you would repeat the 9. So let's go again. On the right side, we count downwards or backwards from 9. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then when you get to 0, you can't go any lower, so you start over. So 9, 8, because we're multiplying until 12 times 9. Then here, we start at 0 on this side, and we're counting up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we have to repeat this 9 and then we go to 10. So this is 9 ones 9, 9 twos 18, 9 threes 27, 9 fours 36, 9 fives 45, 9 sixes 54, 9 sevens 63. You're multiplying by 9, and this is an easy way for you to do that. So now we need 9 times 4. So all we have to do is count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 times 4, that's 36. We write the 6 down and we carry the 3. We're going to add that 3 after we multiply. Then 9 times 7. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 times 7 is 63. Then 63 plus 3 more. 63, 64, 65, 66. So when we get 66, we write one of the 6 down and we carry the other. We're going to add it. Then 9 times 3. So 1, 2, 3. 9 times 3, that's 27. 27 plus 6. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So this time we're done multiplying, so we write the 33 down. So remember this little trick. It's easy. On your right side, start counting down by 9. On your left side, start counting up by 0. You're writing it down, but you're counting up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, last one. I want you to pause the video and try this one on your own. Then come back and check. All right, so it's going to be 4 times 2, 4 times 8, 4 times 6, and 4 times 1. Let's go. 4 times 2. What should we do? Skip count by 4. How many times? 2 times. So start with 4 and then add 4 more. That is 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then 4 times 8. Now we have to keep going 8 times. So we already have 2. So we need to continue until we get to 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. And 28 plus 4 is 32. Remember, if you don't know it like that, make sure you're using those fingers, because I'm allowing you to add, because multiplication is repeated addition. So you can add to get your products. So make sure you're using those fingers like when you're adding. So it means 4 times 8 is 32. We're going to write the 2 down and we're carrying the 3. Now 4 times 6, here is 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3. So 24, 25, 26, 27. So write the 27, write the 7 down and carry the 2. What is this one? And we're going to add that 2. Then 4 times 1. We all should know that. 4 ones, 4. And 4 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6. So 6,728. So remember, if you don't know your times table, when you're multiplying, you can skip count. In our next math video, I'm going to show you another trick that you can use when you are multiplying. So I like to show you both ways or more than one way. Anyone you're comfortable with, you can use it when the time arises. All right? Thank you for watching this video. Remember, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share it with everyone that you know. Thank you. See you in our next video.